how to fix the lag in Parsec. So the first thing you can do is basically use a wired connection if you're currently using a Wi-Fi connection. And second, you want to go to the settings, host, and then scroll down and try to lower the bandwidth limit. So if it is set to a high value such as 50 or 25, you will need to lower that, maybe 15 or 10, and test if that improves the performance. And the next thing you'll need to do is to match the resolution on both sides for the host and the client connecting to the Parsec. You can set the resolution to 920 by 1080 here, and when you connect as well, you want to set it to the same one and use 60 as the frame rate. If you scroll down, you will need to set it to 60 as well. Or you can choose use client resolution if the host and the client have the same resolution. Otherwise, you want to select specific resolution that matches on both sides. And the last thing you'll need to do is enable the hardware encoding. So in the host tab, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on edit the configuration file directly. And in here, you want to go to a new line and then type encoder underscore selection equals, and then 1 for the NVIDIA encoder, 2 for the AMD AMF encoder, and 3 for Intel encoder. So if you have a NVIDIA graphic card or AMD, you can set it to 1 or 2 respectively, and then save the settings. Now all you need to do is restart Parsec. So you can quit Parsec from here and restart it. Search for Parsec and run it as administrator. Right click on run as admin. And that should solve the lag or at least improve your performance. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.